Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use Wi-Fi setting on Samsung mobile. Friends, you want to use Wi-Fi setting on your Samsung mobile, so how to use Wi-Fi setting and how to connect Wi-Fi network on Samsung mobile. Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, click on connection setting. After on friends connection setting friends, click on Wi-Fi setting guys, and guys Wi-Fi setting is off. So friends, first of all on your Wi-Fi setting. After on Wi-Fi setting friends, refresh your Wi-Fi setting guys. After refresh friends, you can see available network. So which network friends you want to use, you can connect from here. So friends, I will connect this network, and friends I will enter password. Friends, you can check password from here, connect. Friends, you can see after 4 and 5 seconds Wi-Fi network will connect on Samsung mobile, and friends we can use this Wi-Fi network guys. So example guys, I will on guys any app. So friends, I will on YouTube. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network friends, and we can use it. And friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network friends, again click on phone connection setting, click on Wi-Fi setting. Friends, click on setting. Friends, you can share this Wi-Fi QR code from here, and friends if you click forget option means disconnect, and forget means remove. So friends, now you cannot use this Wi-Fi network again. If you use friends again, you will have to enter password, then friends you can connect this Wi-Fi network on your Samsung mobile. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting friends, and we can connect any Wi-Fi network. And friends, you want to connect a network with QR code, so friends you can connect from here. So bye guys, thanks for watching.